Dear good soul, foremost, thank you for accompanying me in this brief journey. Really? How do you even know that I am a good soul, you may ask? Well, as we start this brief journey where I know nothing about you, I wanted to positively assume something good about you. So, I assumed and addressed you as good soul. I call this positive prejudge enabling for the ease and please of the conversations. Life that is made up of such pleasant, small and simple things as thinking someone good and thanking someone for even small things make it more blissful, beautiful and natural. Feeling thankful, sharing and expressing make it greatly pleasing for everyone involved, even though it might make us slightly uncomfortable at some circumstances, though in a good way. For the most, it ensures, enables and empowers to be happier than if otherwise just based on materialistic circumstances. Soul, assume that you are sitting comfortably and reading a book. If not, please make yourself feel safe, comfortable, in peace, and imagine you are reading a book. Thank you. Now when you comfortably read, your body is apparent and tangible, but someone is reading along with you that only you can realize. Maybe you call your consciousness or yourself or any other name you may want to call. The part of you that is not physical but had been, is and will be with you forever. For simplicity, let such profound presence as soul for now. If you are an inquiring, empathetic and compassionate soul, you can understand it better than anyone else could ever explain to you. More importantly, could anyone ever make you feel it for yourselves? Speaking of souls, without your completely open-minded willingness and efforts, no one else can really enable you to feel, evaluate, and understand it. Maybe, except for some of those who truly enlightened or are trending to it. Still, we got to be aware though, in recognizing a good or a great or an enlightened soul from the rest of all kinds of souls. No need for any compelling complex sacrilege tests, but some basic levels of willingness and openness in the good soul conversation, without need for any comparing, conflicting or concluding on one's views being better than the others. Rather through complacent mutual compliments, just pure seeking, asking, listening, possible mutual learning, consuming, benefiting, enjoying, and finally thanking each other for everyone's peace and cheers. Good souls like us start with believing in the other souls as genuinely good souls. This positive prejudge or assumption greatly helps us toward positively motivated results. At the same time, our goodness and positive expectations sometimes also give a few overly materialistic souls the chance to take advantage in wrongful ways. We must not think too much about the negativity, but just need to be a little more aware of such environments, scenarios, and quickly navigate to our positive and beneficial ways of living for all, including for those with negativities. Understanding the soul. The understanding of souls comes easiest when like-minded souls interact. When we share common perspectives, our connection deepens effortlessly. However, when differing views exist, comprehending the essence of another soul can be a challenge even with complete determination, openness, and free will. This is because understanding the soul is not solely an intellectual pursuit. It requires feeling beyond normal perceptions, practices, and logic. When basic levels of openness and empathy towards other souls are genuinely felt and understood, the barriers dissolve, and comprehension becomes easier. Otherwise, it remains a complex and elusive concept. For now, let us assume that your beliefs about the soul are the best, at least for you, and likewise, others hold their beliefs in the same regard. Let us find peace in this acceptance that benefits all. In certain sacred and blissful moments, the presence of the soul can be naturally felt. Some experience this realization in peaceful heavenly moments, while others may gain insight through life's challenges. Though one path may seem more desirable than the other, both offer valuable learning experiences. We must seek and strive for peace and happiness for all. The complexity of understanding the soul is further amplified by diverse teachings, interpretations, and perceptions across time and cultures. Some believe that souls deemed sinful will vanish after life, while others believe that enlightened souls merge into eternal peace. These beliefs are intricate, shaped by preconceptions and deeply rooted understandings. Different perspectives on the soul. Numerous perspectives exist regarding the journey and purpose of the soul. Some common beliefs include progression through deeds. Some believe that souls evolve based on their actions and are rewarded with entry into a divine realm, often referred to as heaven. Others believe that each soul carries wisdom across countless lifetimes, progressing through trials and learning, ultimately becoming one with the divine, the essence of all creation, known by many names and forms. Some see the soul's journey as shaped by actions in this lifetime alone, where kindness, love, and wisdom determine one's experience of peace and fulfillment. There are beliefs that everything, from the tiniest atom to the vast universe, possesses soul. These souls are eternal, holding profound, immeasurable value. The knowledge carried by these souls is obscured during each life, revealed only in glimpses at the right moments. Some believe that a soul's essence is in constant evolution, changing with every thought, action, and moment of goodness, happiness, or suffering. Every deed, no matter how small, contributes to the soul's ongoing journey, shaping outcomes beyond imagination. Others entirely reject the concept of the soul, believing in the tangible and the measurable, with existence confined to the physical realm. Each belief carries its own logic, shaped by culture, experience, understanding, and numerous other. For some, the soul is a concept intertwined with spiritual traditions. For others, it is deeply personal, independent of religious doctrines. Yet beyond all perspectives, one simple truth resonates. A life led with goodness, compassion, and love creates a positive and blissful existence both for oneself and for all. Whether one believes in an eternal soul or simply in the beauty of kindness, a life rooted in harmony and benevolence will always yield profound fulfillment. In the grand design of existence, what we put into the world, our intentions, our actions, and our love, returns to us in ways beyond comprehension. Call it fate, karma, or the law of nature, goodness always amplifies, bringing boundless blessings. Thus, let us embrace a journey of goodness not just for rewards, but because it sustains the soul's ultimate bliss, however we define it, and enriches the lives of all we encounter. The unity of beliefs and respect for all. Good people, regardless of their faith and other differences, often hold different perspectives on the soul. While their interpretations may vary, the essence remains the same, seeking peace, fulfillment, and happiness for all, possibly forever to come. A simple yet profound way to cultivate mutual understanding and harmony is through respect and thankfulness. It is natural to feel protective of one's beliefs, but true regard with appreciation is about extending that same courtesy to others. To foster a world of harmony, it is not necessary for one belief to override another. Instead, it is about coexisting with mutual understanding and possible mutual benefits. When we respect and benefit each other's views, we contribute to a larger framework of acceptance and peace for all, rich or poor or any other differences. Ultimately, when approached with openness, religious and spiritual teachings across traditions often lead to the same universal goal: a better, happier, and more fulfilling life, both in the present and beyond. Through respectful discourse and shared wisdom, individuals can enhance their own beliefs while deepening their understanding, benefiting, and appreciation for the world's diverse perspectives. When beliefs serve as a foundation for love, kindness, and understanding, they uplift all. And in the end, what truly matters is not how we define the soul, but walking the walk, how we nurture it, through love, respect, and the pursuit of goodness for all, with the goal of peace and happiness for all. When we understand the concepts of soul, it offers a better chance of working with all, in creating a blessed heaven on earth, not just in this life, but forever to come. The eternal bliss need not only be beyond this life that we hope and pray for, but it could be from here and now. The eternal bliss is for all, forever to come. Thank you for joining me in this brief journey.